that's it for land for 16 days.
Did you miss something? Are you up to date? How's about a little recap? You know, what's happened already.
Ride's still awesome. Can't imagine being in a small yacht out there though. We're in 6-meter seas right now. This thing's moving. Just spilt my coffee. That's okay, I got lots of coffee. So, behind me, you know what that is? That's the Azores. Guess where we're not going? To the Azores. We're only here to get some parts, because we've had one engine for 2 days now. Just so everyone knows, life isn't all just cruising on a super ship. Sometimes we break down. Nice to see land again. Haven't seen it for about 4 days. This is it. This is the middle of the Atlantic. It's super peaceful right now. Hopefully those hurricanes don't come near us.